Hello students, today we are going to discuss the physical properties of alkaline earth metals, that is group 2. Group 2, what are the important properties, physical properties? Let us discuss. First one is not available in free state. They are not available in free state due to more reactive nature. Due to more reactive nature. And available in different minerals. Available in different minerals forms in the earth crust. Available in different minerals form such as calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, 6 water. This is called carnallite. This is called carnallite. Magnesite. This is marble. Like this, different exist in available in different ores in mineral forms. Then second point important is that is electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of this group 2 is NS2, having 2 electrons in outermost cells. Having 2 electrons in outermost cell. If you see the configuration NS2 means S subcell is fully filled. That's why group 2 is less reactive than group 1. Reactivity. Why group 2 is less reactive than group 1? Because stable configuration. Due to stable configuration. Because NS2, S is fully filled. That's why group 2 is very low reactive, less reactive compared to group 1. Then atomic size. Atomic size order is beryllium less than magnesium, less than calcium, strontium, then barium, then radium. And radium is, you can say it is radioactive, will not be discussed with the group because it will be discussed separately due to radioactive nature. And the atomic size, you see, group 2 is less than group 1. What is the cause? Cause is increasing Z effective. Z effective is increasing, that's why size decreases. Group 2 smaller size than group 1. Group 2 smaller size than group 1 due to increasing Z effective. Effective nuclear charge increases, that's why size decreases. Then ionization energy. Ionization energy, generally high ionization energy compared to alkali metals, but it is being observed that IU1 of group 1 less than I1 of group 2. But if you see reverse, I2 of group 1 is much more greater than I2 of group 2. Because after loss of single electron from group 1, attain stable electronic configuration of noble gas. That's why to remove second electron from group 1 required much more energy. That's why I2 of group 1 greater than I2 of group 2. This is very important, already discussed in alkali metals. This is regarding emission energy. So generally they are more active due to low emission energy, but reactivity more active due to low emission energy, but the reactivity order compared to alkali metal it is low. If you see reactivity, group 2 less reactive than group 1 due to high emission energy compared to group 1. So this is the explanation regarding the reactivity, emission energy, then oxidation states. Oxidation states, if you generally this shows M2 plus state. If you see M2 plus is more stable than M plus, that is stability. That's why compounds exist in MX2 form, available MX2 form, not MX form. Alkaline earth metal halides is MX2, not MX, because M plus 2 is more stable than M plus. This is very important regarding oxidation states. Melting point, boiling point, MP and BP. MP-BP generally greater than group 2, greater than group 1. Group 2 greater melting and boiling point than group 1. But in the groups, it is observed that melting point is beryllium greater than magnesium, beryllium greater than magnesium, magnesium is less than calcium, which is calcium is greater than strontium, greater than barium. So this is the some deviation, irregular order due to different crystal structure. Due to different crystal structure, very group 2 elements show irregular melting and boiling point. Beryllium has due to small size, very close packed structure, greater than magnesium, but magnesium lower melting point than calcium. Then calcium greater than strontium, strontium greater than barium. Large size barium, very low close packing, very weak close packing. That's why melting point, boiling point is least. This is regarding melting and boiling point. But group 2 is greater than group 1. Comparison of group 1 and group 2. Then density. Density group 2 greater than group 1. Group 2 is greater than group 1. But in between in the same order is beryllium density. Beryllium greater than magnesium, greater than calcium, but calcium less than strontium, less than barium. Just reverse. Here we depends upon the close packing structure. Beryllium greater than magnesium, greater than calcium. Here decreasing order because increasing size, decreasing density. But calcium to barium, what happens? If you see the increasing mass is less compared to increasing volume. The volume increasing more from this point to this. Here that decreasing order, then increasing order. Decreases, then increases. Why increasing? Because increasing volume decreases, then increases. Why it is increasing? Because here what happens? Increasing mass is greater than increasing volume. Here increasing volume of mass is greater than the increasing volume. That's why density increases. But in case of alkali metal, almost from lithium to that francium, density increases because mass is increasing compared to increasing volume. So this is the regarding density comparison, melting point comparison. Then flame test, very important property, that is flame test. So flame test, different colors in the flame, but remember beryllium and magnesium do not show flame test due to high ionization energy. Very important, as they have small size, high ionization energy, say they do not show flame test, beryllium, magnesium, but other your calcium, that is brick red color, calcium is brick red, then strontium, barium is pea green, then crimson red, then radium, that is crimson. These are the some flame test color: brick red, crimson red, pea green, and crimson. These are the some that flame test of the different elements. You have to remember the color for your different competitive examination question is asking. So like alkali metals, alkaline earth metal also so flame test. Then reducing character, reducing nature. Reducing nature, like alkali metal, they also behave as a reducing character. Reducing character is beryllium less than magnesium, less than calcium, less than strontium, less than barium. Increasing, reducing character due to decreasing ionization energy. Due to decreasing ionization energy, reducing character also increases. Then nature of bond. Generally, ionic produces ionic bond, but beryllium compounds are covalent nature. Almost all alkali metals produce ionic compounds, but generally beryllium compounds almost covalent due to small size. Okay, these are some important physical properties of alkaline earth metals. Mainly these, what are these alkaline earth metals? These are the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Atom number here 4, then 12, then 20, then 38, 56, then 88. So these are the alkaline earth metals, and all these alkaline earth metals, they are oxides and hydroxides. are available in earth crust which are alkaline natures. That's why these are called alkaline earth metals. Mainly they are compounds available in earth crust and which are almost are basic character. So these are some important physical behavior of alkaline earth metals. And better when you are reading these topics, you always compare with alkali metals so that it will be easy to remember what is the difference between alkali and alkaline earth metal in physical behavior. Almost all are metals. Almost all, that is all are alkali and alkaline earth metal, all are in metallic state. Okay, but if you see the character, almost all character of alkali metals, metallic character if you see, alkaline earth metal is less than the alkali metals due to small size and high ionization energy. Okay, next class we will discuss the chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Okay, thank you all.